Ay, ito.
Okay.
Nugget, remove by Jose Pared. Pass to number 4. Blocked by Jerome. Jose Pared, 2 points. Kenneth Jose. To Kim. Steal by number 4. Guarded by number 34, pero kay number 4 pa rin. Number 4, step back. Pass to Jose. Jose, pass to 8, taking 3. Hey! 8-0 in favor of Team Panlasan. Kim all alone taking 3. Kim Limbago. 8-3 in favor of Team Panlasan na ganang pasahan number 1, 2 points. Number 4, assist by Walter Panlasan.
Sorry,
34. Pass to number 34 again. To Reyes. Pass to Limbago. Kim pa rin. Pass to Mikey. Sa ilalim, Mikey. 18 seconds unlock Kim kay Green. No good dream of by number 4. Number 4 pushing through. Nauna na si Mark. Mark! No good dream of by Jose. Jose. Ang ganda pa na naman sa ilalim. 2 points. Net counted. Tapak na, stepping. Labas muna, labas. Labas muna. Not counted, stepping on the line. 10-3 in favor of Team Panlasan pa rin. Mikey, short cover ni Mikey. No good. 3-5. Kim. Sabi naman yun. Pass to Reyes, taking 3. Kurt Reyes. Binarila naman si Jose. Nagbabarilan yung magkapatid ah. Walter, guarded by Kim. Walter, ayaw play na naman. Tawag, pero rin nagpuloy. Paso Jerome, ang bilis para paso na Furious. Pero rebound pa rin ni Mikey. 2 points to Mikey. 10-8 in favor of Team Panlasan pa rin. Jose, all alone. No good. Rebound pa rin Jose. Ay, ano wala? Kurt, nauna na si Kim. Okay. 2 points. Kim Limbago. 10 na all 10. 6 minutes and 57. Jose. To A. No good. Triple by number 4. 13 seconds to shoot. Walter. Taking 3. Walter Panlasan. 13-10. Nagpapaulan ng mga test. Grabe. 3-point party. Kurt. Pass to Mikey sa ilalim. 2 points. Mikey Nepomuceno. Assist by Kurt Reyes. Shoot. 2 points. Kenneth Jose.
Tirahan mo!
Kurt taking 3. Nugget, di ba may Jerome sa ilalim? Block by number 4. Haba ni Sir. Last 6 minutes on the clock. 15-12, lamang pa rin ng team, Walter. Out of bounds, good ball. Nauna na si Jose na naman, tinignan pa. 2 points, Kenneth Jose. Steal by A. Steal by Kim. Grabe ang survey, pero nakakuha pa rin ni Kim, ay ni A. White taking 3. Nugget.